Hello everyone. Now we are going to look into Standard 8 Chapter 2 Measurements. Exercise 2.2 Sum 10 question number 2. Here is a given sum. Find the area of the irregular polygon shaped field given below. This is the irregular polygon shaped field given here. You can see here inside this you can see different shapes are there. Now we have to find the area of this irregular polygon shaped field. To find the area of this figure, we have to find the area of these shapes. You can see here different shapes are given, triangle, and this is in the shape of a trapezium, and here also you can see a triangle. So you can see here 4 triangles and 1 trapezium shape. So we have to find the area of these given shapes to find the total area of this given irregular shaped polygon field. Now let us name these shapes as 1. This is figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the area of the field is equal to area of the figure 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Now let us find the area of the triangle, that is this area of this first figure. Here you can see the base of the triangle is given 8 meters and the height of the triangle, you can see the measurements here 8 meters and here it is given 6 meters. So you have to take the total length, that is 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 meters. So 14 meters is the height of this triangle. Area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. Now here base is equal to 8 meters. So base is equal to 8 and height is equal to 14 meters. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. 4 14s are is 56 meters square. Now let us find the area of this figure 2. So the area of the triangle, that is this figure 2 is, we know the formula, it is half into base into height. You can see the base is 8 meters and the height of this triangle is, here it is given 10 meters, from here to here the measurement is 10 meters and from this point to this point it is 5 meters. So the total height is, here it is 10 plus 5 is 15 meters. So we have to take the height of this triangle as 15 meters and the base of the triangle is 8 meters. So it is equal to half into 8 into 15. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. 4 15s are is 60 meters square. Now let us find the area of this figure 3. You can see a triangle shape here, right? Here the base of the triangle is given 8 meters and the height is given 5 meters. So let us now find the area of this figure. So the area of the triangle 3 is half into 8 into 5. You can see base is 8 and height is 5 meters. So we have written here 8 and height as 5 meters. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. 4 5s are is 20 meters square. Now let us find the area of this figure, that is trapezium. You can see this is a trapezium. These two are the parallel sides of this trapezium. These two are the parallel sides and this is the height of the trapezium. This is the height of the trapezium, that is 8 plus 10. So it is 18 meters. The height of this trapezium is 18 meters and the parallel sides are 8 meters and 3 meters. So let us find the area of this trapezium now. Area of the trapezium formula we know half into h into a plus b. Here height is 8 plus 10, 18 meters and parallel sides are a is 8 meters and b is 3 meters. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are, 2 nines are. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So 9 into 11 is 99 meters square. So 99 meters square is the area of this trapezium. Now let us find the area of this figure 5. So area of the triangle, you can see a triangle here, right? Here the base of the triangle is 3 meters and the height of the triangle is 6 meters. So half into base is 3 meters and height is 6 meters. Now let us simplify. 2 ones are 2 threes are. 3 threes are is 9 meters square. Now let us add all the areas. That is area of figure 1, area of figure 2, area of this figure 3, area of the figure 4 and area of the figure 5 to get the area of this irregular polygon shaped field. So area of the field is equal to 56 meter square plus 60 meter square plus 20 meter square plus 99 meter square plus 9 meters square, which is equal to 244 meters square. This is the area of this field. Thank you.